Hello traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. This is a daily Forex forecast video, and perhaps this is going to be the last video of this week. So today is 8th of August 2024 and tomorrow is 9th. So this analysis is going to be super beneficial for all of the traders who are looking for some fresh trading opportunity. Remember everyone, I don't encourage anyone to trade these levels, but if you are familiar with my strategy, then definitely if you want to trade, you can trade on your own risk. This is not a signal service and I don't give any types of signals, but I just give analysis to everyone right here, and all of the information and all of the strategies and knowledge that I have shared is present on my channel in the form of forecast videos. But whenever I upload a video, those traders who are looking for quick trading setup, they just watch it, take the setups from it and traded it, make money, and then they never watch the video again. But remember everyone, these videos are obviously full of information, and I highly recommend everyone to check back all of these videos and find that knowledge for yourself that I have discussed in that particular video. So enough talking, let's have a look at these pairs. What I'm going to discuss today is the euro dollar, gold US dollar. Well, from gold US dollar, I remember that yesterday I gave you a very fantastic trade opportunity, and I am 99% sure that all of you must have got around 150 pips from that trading setup that I discussed yesterday. So yes, euro US dollar, gold US dollar, dollar Swiss franc I'm going to discuss. Definitely I have discussed it in the previous videos, and the levels that I have discussed right here, as you can see, is first of all let me quickly add some drawing panels right here to my chart. And yes, that's good. So right here, if you can see, this was a very fantastic zones of support, and I'm on a daily chart right now, so I definitely will be highlighting these two levels, and I'm sure enough we will definitely get a fantastic trading opportunity for ourselves. The trade setup that was buying from 0.84409 at the moment, that is 230 pips up. And just like in the previous videos, I have told you that just don't rely on this fake breakout, because on these fake breakout, it gave me a very tough time in the past when I was trading in 2016, 2017, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 until now. So far these false breakouts give very false and hard time to the traders, but just like I have told you that I'm getting used to it at this present moment, so I definitely don't encourage anyone to trade the false breakouts to the bottom side of the market. Yes, this upside of the market that I was expecting right here, definitely those traders have got fantastic profits from the market, and this is 230 pips up. So I will be discussing this as well. Pound US dollar, if you see right here, I have discussed several opportunities right here at the start of the week as well, but more on that later. Since you can see we have made profit from this particular candle for 140 pips up move it was, but overall it gave around 90 pips I have got from this one, then 40 pips it was stopped out. But this is Forex, you know. And right here on the pound US dollar, if you see right here, what I need to find out is definitely we need to find out these levels of breakout. Now breakout, let me quickly zoom in the chart a little bit and just have a look at it. When the market started to gain momentum, bullish momentum right here, from right here till there, it reached up there, and at that moment, if you see, we had this particular trend line. And also let me go and quickly fix this race stuff right here. So at that moment we had this particular trend line right here, and what this trend line was telling us definitely is that the market is coming back down. So you will remember what I did is there was a sell opportunity I had, and that sell opportunity was near 61.8% retracement. But honestly speaking, that one didn't give me good profits. Why they didn't give me good profits, I will be explaining that. Just stay with me. So right here, as you can see, this 61.8% retracement, this pullback no doubt occurred. It also rejected from the previous zones right here, but what happened right here is that from right here it first go up for 81 pips and then it dropped for 106 pips. So I quickly left this position with a break even right here, though I was expecting that it definitely must be dropping towards as all of you are familiar with my strategy. So I was expecting that when it drop towards 61.8% retracement, then I definitely have to take a buy position. And you may remember I was so sad in those days in May. I was discussing it that I have missed this, then we have seen this breakout, I couldn't trade it this one as well. So the main point I want to convey is that we have a Fibonacci 61.8% retracement failure right here, and whenever such failures occur, what happen is definitely if we look at this side of the market and if we extend it, you can see that plenty amount of test the market already gave at this particular zone. So it was a very stronger one, and this one was the master zone for it. Definitely this one I have got it. Most of you will remember from the 50 retracement level right here. If you see 61 is around 1.26021 right here, and then successfully you will remember I took this particular trade, and it was clearly pointing towards A to B and B to C and C to D. Now why I'm explaining, since this is a daily forex forecast, why I'm explaining this particular stuff right here is that the future analysis is going to rely upon this particular ABCD pattern that has got completed up there. And now what's next? Definitely the market at the moment, the perfect buying decisions area will be right here near price zone. These are the traditional ones, a price zone of 1.26355 right here, and right here if you see it will be 1.25980 right here. So what I'm expecting is definitely, since if we see this is going to the top side of the market, and if we see for the sellers, well, there is a very good trading opportunity right here, and we also have got and practice this breakout structure from 61.8% retracement right here. But I don't believe on that. I'm not going to take a sell from right here. This particular range between 1.27925 and 1.26355, 1.25980 is going to be a day trading range for me, particularly if we see personally. I definitely, since this is now going to be a move with us, and this candle is yet open, this candle is closed, so it can tell us that the market is going up, and as soon as it go up there, right here it is going up for around a profit of 254 pips right here, from where 1.29050 I will definitely be looking for sell opportunity right here. But those of the traders who want to trade this particular one as a sell, well, this is going to be a very perfect one. Remember everyone, I always wait for the market, and when the market give me a good trading point, then I only trade. So this is a sell point I have identified for all of you, and obviously this is now going to be the future support with us, and future level right here will be right here. If the market start to come back down, I'm going to do nothing about it. Now right here, if we include this whole area right here, and if I show you, this is going to be a 61.8% retracement right here. So this is going to be a very fantastic trade opportunity. Now move on to the pound yen, dollar yen. And on the dollar yen, if I show you the daily time frame right here, let's have a look at it. And a very fantastic bullish opportunity. Now this bullish opportunity, most of you will know that this was a 61.8% retracement, but when the price is coming back down, definitely you just get 588 pips right here this week. And I have discussed this as well in the weekly forex forecast video this past week. Personally, I didn't took a trade right here, so what I'm going to do is I definitely have to look for some good trading opportunity right here. See, this is a very fantastic market right here, and this market can give potential good profits. Every market, remember everyone, every market will be giving us very nice and fantastic trading opportunities. So on the dollar yen right here, let's have a look at it more in detail right here on the daily time frame. And on the daily time frame, first of all, I would like to read this chart for all of you, because everyone is not everyone is a returning subscriber. Most of you will definitely be my new subscribers and new people. So let's have a look at this particular trend line. and if I zoom in the chart like this, you can clearly see then those traders who ask me about what are the confirmation that a trend has been broken. Well, the trend is broken right here, and this trend, if you see, it definitely started on 28th of December 2023 and it continued all the way towards 10th of July 2024, and after that we have seen this drop. So after this drop, definitely there are Fibonacci zones right here, and Fibonacci zone, if we see, is 61.8% retracement comes right here near the previous breakout zone. Market definitely is approaching 153.952 once again, and this is a very strong level right here. Remember everyone, if you always look at the market and when you try to trade at this particular moment, there is a great chance that most of the traders will lose their money. Why they will lose their money is because they are always trying to trade late in the market. So those of the traders who are looking to enter into this market right now are entering into the market almost 569 pips later, my friends. Mostly, let's say if we say maybe this is a market maker's move right here. If you look at the RSI is a very important indicator in my strategy, and I teach it to my clients as well. But so 500 and 600 pips later, if you are entering into the market, and if I'm entering into the market, that is completely disobey of the discipline. So I will highly recommend wait 153.952, and definitely if I get some sort of confirmation right here, that is going to be the fantastic zones that we can look for potential selling opportunity right here from there. So dollar yen, this is very simple. I want to stay a little bit neutral about it. Pound US dollar, I already have this explained, so sell right here as well. And dollar CHF, obviously right here, if you see, same situation is going on. And when I was giving you this sell opportunity, most of you will remember this sell opportunity we were holding. Well, I will highly suggest, if you have not closed it yet, because the take profit zone was this. So around 353 pips we get from this. Then this move I gave it to the market. Why this move I gave it to the market? Because if I show you something right here on the chart, this is my strategy, and I work definitely with the client to teach the client this particular strategy. It is very simple, starting from X to A. Then when it reaches to the point A, from point A it starts to give us point A to B, and then B to C, and then from C to D. Well, remember, from C to D there is always sort of a breakout retest type of trade, as you can see on the screen. And that other one, the profit zone I have shown you, is that from B we can take a very good decision till point C, and that's going to be the profitable zone for us. So same is the case right here. The trade opportunity that I give to the market, definitely I gave this opportunity to the market 253 pips, but it gave me a bullish opportunity of 293 pips till now so far. So first of all, I will be trying to stay with this particular zone, and we can have a look at it on the weekly time frame, maybe, because don't consider this as a pin bar at this particular moment, because this candle is not yet closed and tomorrow anything can happen. But the RSI is going to be below 20, and it seems as a very nice and fantastic bullish opportunity. So move your stops to break even, and those who made profits, this 350 pips of profit, I highly suggest to stay with the Fibonacci, and the Fibonacci now suggests an up move towards this breakout point, as you can see clearly on the chart right here. See a double bottom formation, 90 pips up move, and a retest and the drop. So the market definitely is going towards 0.8822 right here. So let's see, I might be taking sell opportunity. Remember everyone, these levels I'm discussing is these are the buy levels and these are the sell levels. In other words, in simple words, if I tell you, these are the supply and demand zones. So anyone who want to trade with the supply and demand zones, or trade with the support and resistance, believe me everyone, in forex trading there is nothing but there is just the support and the resistance levels. When you understand the support and the resistance levels, believe me, 99% of your forex trading and learning and education, that is done. So promise me that from now onwards you will be focusing on the support and the resistance levels according to the strategy that I'm discussing right here. And as per this particular strategy, as you can see, there is nothing. We just find one level and then we do nothing. We find trend lines and then that give profits. So yesterday on the gold US dollar, I also, since dollar CHF is now clear, yesterday I have discussed on the gold US dollar that this is going to be a very fantastic buying opportunity, and 436 pips it gave, my friends. So those of you who are not believing on my strategy, well, you need to understand it first. So let's see and let's have a look at it. Definitely it is now moving to 24.37, which is a very nearest zone right here, and from 24.33 selling zone will start all the way from there. Stops will be 24.79 above that, but definitely it can act as a good sell zone. And make sure to check out my yesterday's video, because that video will definitely helping you understand the gold trading setup that I discussed yesterday, because I don't want to add further levels right here, because I already got some profits from the market and some are still there in the market. 24.33 I'm looking for, and maybe it can go up there and make a double top in the longer run. If you see, we made good profits from the sell, around 800 pips discussed in the weekly forex forecast. And that's why everyone, I always tell you that never ever trade on the lower time frames, because those high wicks and those high manipulated moves, it can just take all of your profits in 1 hour or maybe 15 minutes on 5 minutes, right? So my friends, avoid trading H1, M15, M5, M1. If you want to trade these levels, definitely contact me. I can mentor you about that. But at this particular zone, don't ever try to trade with this M15, M5, M1. And right here, if you see, we have a Fibonacci zone at where the market bounces off from here. So you will remember I gave you this particular opportunity as well, this one yesterday as well. So on the gold US dollar, I don't want to further trade it for the week, because I have made good profits from it. And definitely on one hand side of the market, there is a double top that is pushing the market down, and on this side of the market, there's a strong bullish candle. So we have like tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, we have like Thursday and Friday, 2 days, and then the market will decide where it is going. Remember, I also discussed this particular zone, and most of the time it completes. But since this is going to be all-time high, so this buying opportunity right here should be closed near right here, and selling opportunity that I'm looking for, definitely upon confirmation I will be adding sell opportunity to the list right here. But at the moment, since this is since yesterday and since the start of the week, showing me a very nice and fantastic up move, so that's why I gave you that move of 200 of around 450 pips. So congratulations everyone if you made that profit. Just promise me that you will be sticking with the rules and you will be following the discipline very strongly, right my friends? Strongly. You have to be disciplined trader. I want all of my traders to be disciplined and to be following each and every rule of the market. Moving on to the euro US dollar right here, and on the euro US dollar, if I show you, there are a lot and lots of level. One of the level and one of the trade opportunity I am at the moment is this 61.8% retracement that we have got, and approximately its ABCD pattern is also complete right here. So if I show you exactly, it is not completed, but right here it will be completing near 1.10705. this level is test. So I'm already out from the market right here with 172 pips on this one. And believe me everyone, on the euro US dollar, if it gives you 172 pips, just accept it with happiness. Whatever the market is giving you, just accept that with your heart. Now at this particular moment, this week it's dropping as expected. If you want to further test out my strategy, I will recommend to check back the last week's daily forecast video as well, plus the weekly forecast this week that I uploaded. Check that video as well. So at this moment it is showing me this, and on the H4 I definitely have to find out something. This is currently showing me a bullish opportunity right here, and everywhere you will be looking at that near 61.8% and 50 we are looking for buying opportunity. So tomorrow near this 61.8% retracement, if I get a chance, since see this is a breakout zone as well, and if you see this is a previous retest zone as well. So tomorrow the market can drop towards 1.08665 right here, and if you see this is clearly this bullish leg. So if it drops, it can also drop all the way towards 1.07850. So remember everyone, these markets are very simple to trade. These are very simple levels. These are just simple A's, A, B, C, D, right? But what I highly recommend every trader is to follow these levels and understand the levels, right? Most of the traders, what they do is whenever the market is dropping, they try to add buying positions. Why? Because the market is showing a buy. No, try to trade on the trend lines, the support, the resistance, the channels, the flags, every pattern. If you see, just trade it, and I'm sure you will be 100% successful. Make sure to give me your feedback on this particular video. I will see you in the weekly forex forecast video on Saturday 6 p.m. Pakistan time. And till then, take a lot of care of yourself, give praise to others, take care of you, everyone else in your surrounding. Keep me in your prayers, and I keep you in my prayers. I will see you next time. Till then, take care. Goodbye.